saltfish, caramel dumpling. We have some cook up saltfish, you know, a simple natural recipe, Jamaican cooking lumberjack. Please like and share and subscribe. So you know, so you put the saltfish at the pot, you go and boil, or want the saltfish boiled, right? So the recipe is eatable, tasteable, delicious. Remember, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Cooking Lumberjack. Please like and share. The recipe is eatable, tasteable, delicious. So we have some cornmeal and flour right here. We have some yam. You can see all of the ingredients them I'm going to use in my recipe. Simple, natural recipe. Remember, Jamaican Cooking Lumberjack. So put the saltfish, go and boil off. We have half a tomato, piece of onion and piece of thyme. Natural, simple saltfish, cook up saltfish and dumpling and yellow yam. So I'm starting by kneading flour and thing, yeah. So I'm going to do my thumbs up and thing, yeah. So I'm going to do there, mix up the flour and put some salt in the flour. Never show them I put the salt. You need the flour and thing, yeah. So you know, it's a simple, natural recipe, eatable, tasteable. Nice yellow yam, saltfish, dumpling, cook up saltfish and caramel dumpling. So I'm starting by kneading my flour and thing, yeah. I need the flour. I'm gonna do that, go on to myself and thing, yeah. So you can see don't knead up and thing, see yam there again. Cut up green season them, saltfish, tomato, onion, thyme, caramel dumpling dough, yellow yam. I'll show another update again for the recipe. You can see what going on right there, yeah. So I'm starting by jam face because I know I have sweat and thing and the kitchen hot and thing, yeah. So I'm gonna need the dough and put in the pot, dumpling. So I rinse off my hand and then I go on myself and thing. Well, my dumpling them, I like when they're big like a cartwheel still, you know. But I make some small one today. So I say, yeah. So I use about half pound of flour. Make one of the dumpling and see that I one already. I count them because I'm a man. I count the dumpling them, right? So that I one following by. This I make two and thing. Yeah, some big cartwheel dumplings. So I am one, my belly full. I tell you this recipe is nice, eatable. I know I go on myself again. So we have 3 of that dumpling going now, yeah. I need my finger them tired. And I have 4 following. You know, say half pound of dough make one dumpling. Well big and thing. So I take the time out to say lumberjack big up yourself and thing. And big up Father God first and everything I'm doing. Big up my father and big up my mother, and big up my son, big up my daughter. And big up the fans base them because enough times see a lot of views and things, respectful views them and all who taps. Leave a comment. Yeah. Respect for that. I will like and share. So we have the saltfish pick up right there on the aisle. And see dumpling and the yam and thing and the pot of bubble and thing there. Yeah, so I stir it up because I don't want them eat up and burn up. So you have to stir the pot when you start boil, remember. Please put the yam in a boiling water that it don't red. Put the dumpling in a boiling water that it pretty. Yeah. See the recipe there, like we want cooking on and things. So I'm going to do the saltfish. See, and I really enough saltfish now. So you don't know. Saltfish prepared and pretty there. Pick out the bone, scrape off the scale off of it. Food pot of bubble and pretty there. Presentation, so I stir it up because I don't want them eat up and burn up. So the recipe is eatable, tasteable. So you know, say alright then now. Another step. So let's deal with the saltfish and thing now. So see spice and cut up the eyelash and thing. Please make the eyelash first. So I'm throwing the onion, tomato, the thyme, the garlic, you can see right here. The pepper, everything combined together, taste and flavor. The recipe is nice, eatable. Right now more there running water. Don't watch it frat on the pot top, you just yam. You know, so yam after the yam stays it starch, boil and turn frat. I have to just clean it off, right? Another update. It's all 50 and thing now. So you know, so I pot and don't want to season them burn up my pot and thing. Yes. So we are going on myself and thing. Start with water and put it down. Remember, please watch out the salt or start with. Don't make it too much salt. If you have high blood pressure, you cannot eat salt. So in the day now, you dumpling or bubbling or float today. The pot soon cooking now. But you want about 10 more minutes, right? Now update again for the season, fry up and thing and well presentation, throw my saltfish and thing. You can see the oil get red and the 2 minutes make it get red like a ketchup. So I stir up the saltfish and thing, yeah. Right, I'm there hungry, ready to eat the food, yeah. So it's a video I voice over. Video them bill and put on, but I voice it over, but I don't like the voice over and things still. So you can see the presentation and saltfish, but I don't want no black pepper. I use the country pepper because I don't eat black pepper, right? See my father does the normal country pepper them man they eat, and them man they are 80 years old now. Big up my father because them man they are chef. And them man they teach me to cook and thing. When I look a boy, climb on the dresser, And the first dumpling, country dress, I know them things stay. First dumpling I boil, take it out and eat it with some oil and things and see it. So big up my father at all time. Big up mother still now. Even though she passed away, but big up my father because my father teach me a lot of things. Right? Yeah. So I have black pepper, so I don't really use it. I'm going to show you so I can use it, but I don't want it in the saltfish. I don't like black pepper. Not normal country pepper. Black pepper are foolish, but big up to who use it still. Right? Yeah. So you know, see another update again for the dumpling and the yam pot right there, so I bubble down and see saltfish ready there. Yeah, cup saltfish ready and thing down. I'm telling you, I have a whole heap of video, I'm going to build put down. Whole heap of video I have. I have 1,000 video I build put down right now. And when me a boy, I'm in that country. My father cook it up and cook all this for breakfast in the morning. And cook all 2 pounds of saltfish, because I'm a country man, them man there. Big all 10 pounds of yam and 5 pounds of flour, some big old plantain dumpling, caramel night. When you eat all 20 dumpling, the belly full. But now I forget them days, you know. Big up my father every time still. And big up my mother so also. But big up my father teach you a lot of things. Yeah. So you know, so the recipe ready and thing and down in our way, say dumpling them boils, them float pan pot top and thing there. You know, so right now recipe ready for eat. Saltfish ready there one side prepare so the recipe ready. See presentation there, dumpling, yam, saltfish, spice them. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, please like and share. The recipe are eatable, tasteable, simple, natural recipe. Remember, please for like and share. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So my chef there, giraffe himself and think right now I'm hot, you know, don't cook and things, so I'm gonna eat and taste the recipe. So I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like. You can see plate there, simple, natural, small plate. You know. See cartwheel there. Well, taste dumpling and thing. Bite the one there and taste it nice. So my saltfish, cook up saltfish, eatable, tasteable, delicious.